Okay, let's find the domain of these rational functions. First thing we do is set the denominator not equal to 0. So x cannot equal 8. So we would write the domain in interval notation, negative infinity to 8, oh gosh, and 8 to infinity. Now, let's take this one. Set the denominator not equal to 0. So x minus 2 can't equal 0. X plus 6 can't equal 0. So x can't equal 2. X can't equal negative 6. So put that on a number line. Think about negative 6 and 2. And you want the whole number line except those. So negative infinity to negative 6, negative 6 to 2, 2 to infinity. That's it. That's how you do domain. If the denominator is not factored for you, you need to factor it and use the zero product property. Now, just as a side note, I do want to talk about vertical asymptotes. That means the vertical asymptote will be at x equals 8. Vertical asymptotes at x equals 2 and x equals negative 6. So when I would go to start to draw this graph, one of the first things I would do is throw in a vertical line at x equals 8 and make it dotted to say that I know that that's my vertical asymptote. Same thing goes on this one. So I would throw a couple lines on there. I'd throw one dotted at negative 6 and one at 2 and say, hey, those are my vertical asymptotes. We leave it out of the domain by setting it not equal, but we can write the equation of that line by saying x equals.